What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. It's been a little while, not that long though, but you already know what it is, man. We're back to the usual subject. We got Hat Club in the house today, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get right into this. We got two hats in here. Was able to catch these. They had, I don't want to say a clearance sale, more so like I want to say 15-20% off sale. I was able to actually catch some hats I already had my eye on because, you know, one thing Hat Club is good for, it's good for collaborations, customs that you don't really see all the time at your liz.com and places like that. So, that being said, I was able to catch a couple that I actually had my eye on, and they actually had them in a size 8 this time. So we're going to get right into it, man. You already know what it is. Today we got hatclub.com in the house. We're going to get into that. Let's go. All right, like I said, we're going to get right into it. Two pickups, hatclub.com. Now, already got it cut. This is my actual first time getting one of these in there, the Hat Club sticker things. I'm happy about that because literally all the times I order from them, it's literally the first sticker I ever got from them. But now let's get right into it. We got the Chicago Cubs. Basically, it's just described as far as the name is Chicago Cubs two-tone World Series patch. And the thing that drew me to this one, because actually the other pickup was the one that I was trying to catch up on, but I wound up seeing this one while I was actually scrolling through. And the thing that caught me about this one is the actual patch on it. And as you see, it's the 1908 World Series patch. And what drew me to it is not really traditional Chicago Cubs patch colors or uniform colors. I like how it has that little like hint of reddish burgundy on it. Because you see, one thing I like about white hats, and a lot of people don't like white hats, the one thing I like about it is it really didn't do anything to overtake the hat. As you see, there's no New Era flag, no logo on the back. It's basically just a real dark navy embroidered C for Chicago Cubs, and it has the really dark navy brim. I mean, literally, if you didn't look at it close enough, you would think it was black, even the button on top, but it is actually white. So that actually drew me to this one. Just a clean hat, you can throw it on. You know, if you happen to be wearing, you know, white polo, white t-shirt or something, you know, if you want to clean it up real quick and just be real clean, not too much going on the hat. You got all your basic New Era stuff on the bottom on the inside, but just not a lot of it really taking over the hat, which that's the one thing I actually like about it. So again, you got your Chicago Cubs two-tone World Series patch hat. Now, again, this is what actually made me pick up this whole thing because I was looking for this hat. They finally got it in my size. Usually, just like I do on liz.com, like I do on Hat Club. First, before I go for anything new, I try to see if they got something like a restock or, you know, anything of that nature and something that I actually wanted before in my size. And then I finally got this one in my size. And to me, it's just a dope logo, you know what I mean? And then the colorway just kind of actually set it off. I'm getting right into it. The name of this one in the description is New York Knicks token. So I don't know if they say token by just the colorway on it, but that logo to me is just sick. I like it. You know what I mean? I always have every time I seen it, like on a New York Knicks shirt or other hats, and I just happen to like it with the whole colorway influence on it because it goes with a lot of kicks. And if dress it up with any retros, that'll be red, white, and black, which predominantly a lot of them are because it's technically a New York Knicks hat, but it's like a Chicago Bulls colorway, you know what I mean? So you can wear it with your Braves or anything like that. And the one thing that really I like about this hat, it has the New Era flag on it, which isn't a must on all hats, but it has it like blended in, so you still have that effect in there. But again, not overtaking the hat. That's the one thing I love about that. So you don't have your NBA on the back. All you pretty much have is your New Era flag, not NBA logo. Your New York Knicks colorway, well, off colorway token, whatever they want to call it. Got all your New Era, you know, usual suspects under the hat. Of course, you got your gold 8. Like I said, this one right here, I just think personally, it's a sick logo. So it was something I was able to catch up on because they finally had it in a size 8. And with this one, actually, before I ordered, like I said, again, I caught it with a little discount. I believe, receipt right here, for both of them in total, I paid $9 for both hats. And then with the discount it took off with 20%, I basically paid about $16, $17 total, because they always hit you with that shipping, man. Pretty sure everybody know they always hit you with that $4.99 shipping. So basically, I mean, not bad at all. I think I caught a nice little steal. Chicago Cubs World Series patch, New York Knicks token off color. Two pretty dope ones, you know, nice little collabs. Like I said, if Hat Club is not good for anything, it's good for those hats you don't see every day like that, as far as their collabs and everything like that. And before I get out of here, with that being said, I got a lot of things coming next week. I got a lot of merch and some actual kicks from my guy over at For Sure Kicks. Man, if you haven't checked them out yet, I've had a couple of people hit me up in the messages and direct messages as far as online on social media. They hollered at my guy, satisfied customers, you know what I mean? Hey, anything on Nike.com, he can get you below retail, and then your basic general releases like your retros and anything like that, he can get you for maybe $20 to $40 over, which is still crazy, especially right now in the resale game and the market and all that. And you can still get your early releases and know where it's coming from and know you're getting a good return on your investment. You know what I mean? Everything straight from Nike. So with that being said, check him out on Facebook at For Sure Kicks. Check him out on Instagram at For Sure Kicks. You know what I mean? Other than that, I got my merch coming in from him, and I got my actual kicks coming in from him. So all that should be dropping next week. And I'm actually doing this video on Valentine's Day. Let me know out there in Hat World if y'all were able to jump on that Grungy Gentleman release that released on Valentine's Day. I literally set my alarm on my phone like it was a shoe release. You know what I mean? And I still wasn't able to catch the one I wanted. I had it in my cart. And literally, it was like it was a Jordan Retro release. Had the hat I wanted. By the time I was ready to go press, literally check out and purchase, they yanked it out of my cart and said it was no longer available. I still was able to pick up 2 because I had about, I want to say 3 that I like. All of them didn't sell me, but I had about 3 I wanted. With that one release getting taken out, I still was able to cop 2. Let me know down below if you was able to jump on that NBA Grungy Gentleman's collab, because it was crazy. A lot of them were, especially in my size 8, they were going, man. They were out of there, you know what I mean? So let me know about that. That should be coming in next week. I got that in today, so I'm gonna try to get this video up so you can let me know how you did on the release. Like I said, some of these collabs, man, they do be crazy like kicks. Don't get it twisted, you know what I mean? And they get a little pricey. So like I said, with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Let me know if you was able to jump on something with that Grungy release. Other than that, next week, tons of stuff coming in, man. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna get up out of here. It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one when it happens, man. I'm gone.